Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to buy Trump official meme coin on Binance. First of all, you can open the Binance application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply scroll down, and here in the hot section, you can see the Trump coin. You can now tap on the Trump coin, and after tapping on it you can just simply tap on buy at the bottom right corner of the screen, and now you can just simply enter the amount, and now you can tap on buy Trump, and it is a way you can buy Trump official meme coin on Binance. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.